Hi, friends. You know, the condition of our gut is critical for our overall health. Our gut is really the home of where our immune system is created. It helps stabilizes our mood and it helps our metabolism. But nowadays our gut can be terribly damaged by so many different factors. Now, one way to really improve your gut is to eat lots of in season, fresh fruits and vegetables, just a rainbow of colors. And so, welcome to the salad days of summer. Now, I know some people find salads unappealing, but today I am going to show you 3 different recipes for salad dressings that are just going to elevate your salad to a new level of deliciousness. This is Lori Friesen with Living Well Up Here. Let's go. So today we're going to make 3 dressings. We're going to make avocado lime, we're going to make ranch, and we're going to make apple vinaigrette. So let's just start with this avocado lime. I love this recipe because it is so simple and it is absolutely delicious on taco salad. So if you're trying to, cut some carbs and just, bulk up on a lot of greens, this is a really great recipe. And avocado is considered one of the really healthy fats that you can use. So you just put a medium avocado in the, I like to use a pint size canning jar because it's nice and sturdy, and that works. Then you just squeeze the juice of 1 lime in. I just love taco salads in the summer. You can use beans if you want to have it vegetarian. You can just make your regular taco meat. You can add olives. You can add a little like pico de gallo. There's just so many things, whatever your favorite thing is. And then a clove of garlic. And then a few sprigs of cilantro. Then I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And then I have just a little pinch of cayenne and some regular pepper. Put that in. And about 1/4 of a cup of water. Put that all in. Now I'm using the stick blender. I really love stick blenders. Very simple. So stick it right in there and give it a shot. There we go. That's it. Cilantro lime dressing. It's so delicious. But just a reminder, it does need to be eaten on the same day, as avocados do tend to darken. But it's delicious. Enjoy. And so for the second dressing, we're going to make ranch. Now, ranch truly is the superstar of dressings. It goes with everything. And if you really want to encourage your kids to eat more vegetables, just have some of this ranch on hand. Now, the kind of ranch that I make is dairy-free. We have some people that are sensitive to dairy. Dairy is one of those food groups that can be inflammatory. So I like to replace it with full-fat coconut milk. So for this recipe, we have a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then I put a 1/2 cup of coconut milk in. And then about a couple of teaspoons of lemon. So, a 1/2 lemon. Or if you like it more lemony, you can put more in. And then I have about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of dill, and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. I really love all the fresh herbs in it. You can use dried, but you would want to reduce the amount. So those I've already chopped those up. So let me first stir this up together a little bit here. Get the milk and the mayonnaise stirred up. Okay. And then put the fresh herbs in. And I like to put about, maybe a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And salt and pepper to taste. So just a pinch of salt. And then just stir that up. Now this can last in your fridge really for at least 3 or 4 days. So this gives you quite a bit more leeway when you make it. Voila, fresh ranch. For the third dressing, we're going to make whole apple vinaigrette. Now this vinaigrette we were able to get from Bright Creek Farms. She always has several specialty items there, and it's a great place to just connect with the community and get some great products. So for this vinaigrette, we're going to take a half a cup of this, this is a specialty vinaigrette. This one happens to be, has a little ginger and a little hibiscus in it. So it's like an apple cider vinegar with a few special flavorings in it. And then we have 3/4 cups of a good quality olive oil. And we have a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And a whole apple that's been peeled and chopped, and a whole shallot that's been chopped roughly. We're going to put that in. And just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. A little salt, a little pepper, and we're going to whip this up. Plugged in, that won't work. Glitch. Where's my technical people? Okay, so we have everything in the blender. Let's give it a whirl. And whole apple vinaigrette. Fresh and delicious. Let me give it a taste. Wow, that's so good. So, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you will incorporate all these beautiful fresh vegetables for your salads this summer and incorporate some of these beautiful fresh dressings. Until the next time, my friends, be well. Bye.